Hey, hello everyone. Imagine a world without internet, smartphones, or social media. Sounds impossible, right? That's because we are living in the 21st century, a digital age powered by multimedia and ICT. So today I will be talking about the benefits of multimedia and ICT in the 21st century.